Hey YouTube, Bill Tech Reviews here, going to do a review of the E-Yooso K600 mechanical keyboard. Let's take a look at the box. On the back we got a couple of specs, not too much. Ergonomic design and keys rollover, suitable with more kind of games. Half of it's in Chinese. So let's just dive in and look at what's in the box. So we've got a 6 color LED backlit keyboard. It is not RGB, with Otemu blue switches. The blue are going to be the clickiest of these switches. It is an incredibly clicky keyboard. Oddly enough, they were labeled on the box. I don't know if you can see here, but they were labeled on the box as green switches. Otemu doesn't make a green switch. I don't know if it was actually a box from something else, but they are actually official Otemu blue switches, which are a budget option, but it's mostly what I'll be reviewing anyway. It does have 9 lighting effects. Let's plug it in here, and we'll get to see those.
2 hours later.
There we go. We've got the keys lit up. So they've got use the function and insert for the lighting effects. Looks like we've got a breathe. Oh, that's neat. Just kind of like splatter. I like that. That doesn't look like it's doing anything. Interesting. Said it has 9 effects. It does say that there are 2 that seem to be programmable. I don't know how you would go about doing that, but apparently you can. I like this one too. This is kind of a breathe out and zig back. And I guess we're back to just on. It does also have game presets, which are accessed by function 1. That didn't seem to do anything. Function 2 also didn't seem to do anything. Function 3, nothing. Maybe I'm reading this wrong. It's supposed to be function F. Nope. Let's try this again. Apparently not. We do also have function up and down for the speed when you, let's see. Oh, okay. So now when I hit function insert, it changes the modes. Okay. So I believe this one is for League of Legends. You've got your QWER, ASD, GB, space. That makes sense. There are apparently 2 different League of Legends modes, a FPS mode, CF, Call of Duty, an RTS mode, a car racing, and an NBA games mode. So let's see if we can get back through these. Okay, and now we're back to patterns. So this, I believe we can change the speed of. I don't think it's changing. So, beyond that, It is a very, very strong keyboard. It says it uses a steel top panel. This is obviously plastic here, but maybe underneath. It does not flex at all. Pressing down on it, there's no give. It also is spill resistant, and on the bottom there are two very nice, solid feeling grippy feet. It's got the grip pads in the front there as well, but those are not going to snap off like your normal cheap keyboards. Speaking of cheap, it was cheap. It was $29.98 when I got it, and I got it with a $1.50 off coupon. Right now, at the time of recording, it is $34.98. So it has gone up by $5, but maybe wait a week, it'll go back down. It's Amazon. I will put a link down below where you can go and get that. If there's anything else you'd like to see me review, leave a comment down below. And if you liked this review, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will be uploading a lot more in the future, and if enough of you guys comment and want to see something specific, I will get it and try it out. Thanks for watching.